At 16, Dan Martell was in juvenile detention. By 27, he was a millionaire, having built his success on rigorous market validation. In the current era, that same trajectory can be compressed into months. Rebuilding from zero today requires the same problem-solving discipline, now accelerated by AI automation. Success isn't dependent on initial capital, but on a 5-step operational architecture designed to identify, sell, and deliver value at scale. The intersection of what you love, what you're good at, and what the world is willing to pay for identifies your market sweet spot. This isn't self-discovery, it's a data-driven validation of where demand meets your specific skill set. You can navigate this process by using AI as an unbiased interviewer, prompted to challenge your blind spots and drill down into your experience until a viable business model emerges. A validated idea becomes a high-ticket offer through 4 components: a clear promise, a risk-reversing guarantee, an objection-killing bonus, and internal scarcity. This scarcity is created by forcing the prospect to calculate the mounting cost of their own inaction. A towering anchor price, set 5 to 10 times higher than your target, redefines the prospect's expectations. It makes your primary middle offer appear affordable by comparison, while a low-tier decoy confirms the middle option is the only logical choice. Clarity is the prerequisite for a sale. By charging more than you are initially comfortable with, you filter out low-quality leads and secure the margins necessary to invest in superior service delivery. Automation has replaced manual prospecting. AI agents can now identify ideal clients and generate hyper-personalized outreach that references specific, recent data points to drive higher response rates. High-level sales conversations are not about pitching. They're about active listening and asking strategic questions that lead the prospect to identify their own need for a solution. The sales process is a steady climb, from the chaos of a prospect's current reality toward the organized outcome of your offer. Each step is a question that moves them closer to a decision. You only offer the solution once the prospect is fully qualified. The goal is to verify a perfect fit before any financial commitment is requested. Buyer's remorse is a psychological certainty the moment a transaction is completed. If a business goes silent after the sale, the client begins to question the investment. You eliminate this risk by shortening the time to first value. Delivering a tangible win immediately after the payment confirms the client made the right choice and builds immediate momentum. Traditional onboarding takes days, but an AI-driven workflow completes the cycle in a fraction of a second. Automated questionnaires can feed client data directly into a model that generates a comprehensive transformation roadmap instantly. Compressing this timeline creates a professional first impression that supports long-term retention. When a client receives a high-quality roadmap minutes after paying, they are far more likely to provide referrals before the core service even begins. Market data is only gathered through messy action. Preparation often masks a fear of failure. The fastest way to refine a business is to sell a version of it to a stranger today. Building a $1 million business from nothing requires a specific temperament. You must be patient with the ultimate results, but wildly impatient with the daily execution.